When we were on the bus tour there, we heard about this wee museum here called the Writers' Museum. So we thought we would just have a wee wander in today and see what it's like. It's open Monday to Sunday, 10 o'clock to 5.
This is something else.
Yeah, I think we all know what that looks like. I think this is some of the writers, isn't it? Some of the poets.
It says the Stevenson family, Robert Louis Stevenson.
Alright, who's that?
The writer?
Right, okay.
The Treasure Island? The lamplighter?
No.
Doesn't read at all.
Because his house where he stayed in California. There's some of the slides that are in the toy theatre, and then we go round here, we'll see some more of them. The Life and Times of Robert Louis Stevenson, who done Jekyll and Hyde as well, Natalie was just telling me.
Another thing we learned on the bus tour this morning was that Jekyll and Hyde was based on someone that was here. Can't remember his name, not the with a D.
I'm not too sure what the guy's name was, but
it was based on him. Obviously a bit embellished because he didn't turn into a monster and like kill people, but he was really good in it, and he was a bit bad at night time, like with his gambling. Yeah,
he used to rob people, rob their houses. I think they used to go to him for some reason, and he used to make wax casts of their house keys, and then he used to go and rob them. But as Natalie says, he was a good citizen, and then at night he used to go and rob them, hence Jekyll and Hyde. And his riding boots and his hat. I don't know if I would wear them.
I think they're quite snazzy, they don't look very comfortable though.
No. Here's a wee scene made out of a book. That's pretty awesome. Look at the detail on that. And here's just telling you exactly what it is. We've got another wee theatre exhibition here. Long John Silver, Captain Bill. I just spotted him in his wee room. Don't think he wants to be disturbed. We're just going to keep heading up. Can we go up?
No.
Oh, it's locked. How cool. The walls here. A wee view for up where we are. So I got this wee bust of this lady here. Does her nose no look a wee bit big? Isn't it? It's a pretty cool rocking horse. And a pretty cool fireplace as well. Yeah, pretty cool wee chessboard. So they've got some paper sculptures here done by young artists. I'm just going to have a wee look at them. A pretty cool scale model of the Scott Monument.
Those steps are very anything.
Just have a wee look at the details in it. The stained glass windows, pretty cool. And all the wee figures. Guy looks like a wee samurai. Robert Burns himself. Why do you think in the fireplace in here? Pretty cool, eh? How gold is that seat?
It looks almost fake, but I touched it.
It does look quite fake, doesn't
I
it?
did when I came in here, I touched it.
And then we've got Highland Mary here, who Natalie's just been given into trouble for because I don't know anything about her.
There's a painting of her in that.
Burns and Highland Mary's painting. Again, don't know who it is.
Ye banks and braes and streams around the castle of Montgomery, for there I took my last farewell of my muse Highland Mary.
What is childhood? That's a great question. Look at these cranky wee toys. By the way, we're just in the Museum of Childhood right now. I said Natalie wanted to come here.
I've always wanted to come and have a little look. It's a free, so we might as well go.
Now, I don't know if any of you did, but I don't think me or Natalie did. Somebody's made a homemade shoe doll.
1905.
Is that even a thing?
Oh, well, back in 1905 it was. You couldn't afford a real doll. They were made of porcelain and that. So.
Fake. Fake news. Right, guys. Memorise this. Have a wee look. And we're just about to see how good our memory is. Let's see. Right, we cheated. We just turned them all over. Obviously, we're not very good.
I think our memory is terrible as the moral of that story.
Yeah.
Ready?
Let's make a story.
One day, a girl and a dog went to the park and found a magic.
Fish. Found a magic fish.
They put it in a
Watering can.
and wished a
Cake appeared.
That's magic, they said.
We're going to let you listen to your childhood memories. I just hope you can hear this.
English class. The top left-hand corner started off spouting. If he failed out here, belted next one. And they went on down the line. Belted each one when they hesitated too much with their recital.
Do any of you guys out there remember any of these games? I remember Ludo. Apart from that, I'm not too sure.
I remember this.
What's that?
It's like a little horn.
Right, no, I don't even know what this is. What is that?
It's my television.
I've never seen that live. Some pretty cool pins, probably before pins were even a thing. And some up here. Yeah, this is more our era. Me and my brother Adam used to have this.
We used to have it too. Craig, there's a video of Craig pulling this.
Is it? We'll just insert that video here.
We don't have that video anymore.
Oh, gutted. And then I never had a Barbie, but Buzz.
Never had a buzzer too.
No, I don't think I had a Buzz either, but I remember him.
We had the Monopoly. Chris's brother
Aye.
is notoriously the worst cheat I've ever met.
Yeah, never play with my brother because he's a cheat.
Inca Plunk.
I've never-
Notoriously, when we were younger, no one would play with me because I used to always throw a tantrum if I lost at this.
Is that right, Craig? If so, tell us. So surely everybody remembers the Game Boy. Do you remember the coloured Game Boys when they were thinner? And I used to have a yellow one.
Yeah, I had the yellow one as well for Tetris.
And then I don't remember it. The Sinclair, I've heard of it, but I never ever played it. That was obviously before my time. And I remember these things, but I don't think I ever had any of them.
I vaguely remember having one, but I don't remember what kind.
I'm the same. Obviously the Xbox, I never had one of them because I'm a PlayStation guy. Don't know what this is. Maybe my dad would know what this is. An old Spectrum. How we used to do that, roll down the hills. That's before PlayStations, we used to go to the hills and just roll down for fun. So I remember going to arcades to play computer games. There used to be one in the Vale, we used to go down and we used to play the Royal Rumble. And then obviously PlayStations came about and we used to just start playing FIFA and that in the house. What have you got there? Oh dear. Are you wolf today, aye? Going to hide in here. That's pretty cool actually. Aye, what are we doing?
Take my paws.
Your paws are cool. Oh, I bear.
I'm gonna huff and puff and blow his house down. Oh my goodness, these are sweet dolls.
Oh my god.
Wow.
This is like horror films right here, isn't it? I mean, right, see, a toy doll. What's going on with this woman's face?
I think it's supposed to be Mongolian.
She's pure angry. Oh yes. This clown is so cool. Although he looks pretty drunk, doesn't he?
Excuse me, but what are Puss in Boots over here?
Oh aye. He's scary.
Oh my goodness.
I like this one up here, but
Imagine being stuck in here and all the lights went out and it's just all these dolls and you're in the dark with all these spooky dolls.
and then they all started to come to life. I know. What? Night at the museum.
I just heard like children laughing.
Now what is this? And why would you give that to your child?
Number 39. It's a ghost doll from France.
A ghost doll.
It was made to represent the dead.
It definitely does that. I like this wee guy.
Kind of doll Annabelle is in real life.
So this is Annabelle.
Looks like the real Annabelle.
Well, I know it's not the real one, but it's pretty weird looking. All these dolls are pretty weird looking. Right, what's going on with this doll? Where's her hair for one? Look at the wee guy behind her. Oh, I'm definitely going to get haunted by these tonight. That's like the wee doll's house you used to have.
I never really had a doll's house when I was wee.
Did you know? Okay, so I was just looking at this wee guy and I was thinking to myself, check the expression on his face, and then I look to the right and wait till you see this wee, like, drawing of a doll. What's he so bad at? And he's so chubby.
That man's Dr. Dolittle.
Is that Dr. Dolittle? Ah, right. Cool. Oh, I didn't even notice him. Sound the Lofts. This wee lassie as well. And look at the wee old woman next to her.
That's Rapunzel and the witch.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
What's going on with this guy's face?
Oh my goodness.
I know. Oh, Mickey. Look at Mickey.
Oh, he's quite spooky looking.
He is pretty spooky and cool. And then the cat. I like this cat. Is this Edward Scissorhands, like an old?
No, it's Struwelter.
Looks a wee bit like Edward.
Shock-headed Peter.
Makes it look like a jail. Who's your pal, Natalie?
We're just waiting on a bus.
Pretty cool play sets, but they're like full-size dolls. A rocking horse. There's some pretty cool puppets. I love the wee skeleton guy. He's cool, man. Oh, these are what we seen in the last place. Wee theatres. Look at the size of this train set. We're just trying to show you some of the detail on it. Some of the cool trains. Now we get a wee pipe band here. We've got some cows in there in the middle. It's just so much to take in. Look at all the circus characters as well. Get strongman, you get the seals, you get lion tamers, clowns, elephants. They're pretty cool. Some creepy looking clowns here. What's this wee guy doing? And then we go for that to some cars. I think these are all American looking cars. We got a wee butcher shop miniature. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. And then we've got another wee shop just down here below as well. And then this looks like the kitchen of somebody's house, maybe. Maybe if they were like rich. Some miniature paintings just round here. Then up here we've got the greengrocers. And I think this might be like a perfume shop there. Got wee tea sets as well, look at them. They're pretty insane. Wee miniature pianos, chairs. And then just like a wee house here. This one here's cool because it's like a farm. You got all the chickens, a wee mini farm there, and then this is also like a big massive farm. With the cows, tractors, jeep. But then it goes from a farm into like polar bears and that. So maybe it's not a farm, maybe it's a zoo. Well, this bit here definitely is a zoo. It's really cool. We've got miniature cars here as well, and then next to the miniature cars are even miniature cars. I don't know if that's what you call them, but that's it, it's the world's tiniest ancient cars ever made. And then similar to the car there, you've got a horse and cart here, and then like an even smaller one just in front of it. A wee cracking road all made up. All the wee miniature cars as well. Maybe a closer look at them. Maybe people here.